Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by power cycling hardware because many air network changed errors come from stale routing or DHCP leases. First, restart the modem, then the router, then your computer. Wait about 60 to 90 seconds between devices. Once done, disable VPNs, proxies, and any browser extensions that intercept or modify requests. Make sure cables are seated and Wi-Fi is stable. Doing these quick resets often clears transient address conflicts and gives you a clean baseline for the next steps. Now you fix local network state by flushing caches and resetting sockets. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons, then ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew. Follow with netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset. These commands remove corrupted DNS entries and socket inconsistencies that trigger air network changed. Next, clear your browser's DNS cache and restart it, or use an incognito window to rule out profile issues. If you're on Wi-Fi, finish by addressing driver and DNS sources because outdated drivers or flaky DNS can persistently trigger the error. Update your network adapter drivers and install OS updates, then test using Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8.8 DNS. If problems continue, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to check for interference. Make sure to re-enable protection afterward. Finally, test another device or tether through your phone to determine whether the router or ISP is at fault. This isolates where the fix must be applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.